Hello Year 11, we're going to do another experiment. Today we're going to look at the effect of surface area on the rate of reaction, so how quickly a reaction is going to happen. But what is surface area first? If we say this piece of paper is the equivalent of one large marble chip. So let's say that piece of paper is my marble chip. And I'm going to react it with some acid. Now in an acid, you have acid particles and you've got water particles. So let's presume these are the acid particles. So if I just draw your attention to what's on the desk. For a reaction to happen, the acid particles need to collide with the marble chip particles with enough energy for a reaction to happen. So the more surface around the outside that is exposed, the more likely there is going to be a collision. So this is a surface area. Now, what would happen if we took the marble chip and we broke it into two? So now, if we look at the size of the marble chips on the desk, overall, there's the same amount, or if we measured that, that would be the same mass as each other. This is one marble chip, and now I've split it into two. Which of these two marble chips, or these two examples, is going to have the biggest surface area? Well, if we go back to the paper example, if I've torn the piece of paper into two, just like I have with my marble chips, so I've got two smaller marble chips, overall, it's the same amount of particles present. But now I've changed what we call the surface area, the area around the outside of the chip. So in these two examples, which has the larger surface area? Is it the big marble chip? Or is it the small pieces of marble chip? Well, if you look around the outside, how much surface is exposed when you break it into small pieces? There's more surface exposed when you break it into smaller pieces. So this is actually the larger surface area when you break them into small pieces. So what effect is that going to have on how quickly a reaction is going to happen? These are our acid particles here. Are they going to be likely to have more collisions or less collisions when we increase the surface area? Because we've exposed more sides, it's more likely that there's going to be a collision when we've increased the surface area. So therefore, the larger the surface area, possibly, should be a quicker rate of reaction. Let's test that.